scholar Bipin Chandra. India's struggle for independence, modern India in NCERT, the rise and the growth, economic nationalism in India, Indian national movement, long-term dynamics, communalism in modern India. Shekhar Bandyopadhyay, from Plassey to partition. Sumit Sarkar, modern India, 1985 से 1940. R.C. Majumdar से poem Union Revolt of 1857. S.B. Chaudhary, civil rebellion in the Indian mutinies. Ashok Mehta, the Great Rebellion, Ascension 1857. Pattabi Sitaramaiah, History of Indian National Congress 2. K.M. Panikar, Geographical Factors in Indian History, Asia and Western Dominance. Granville Austin, Working a Democratic Constitution, the Indian Constitution, Cornerstone of a Nation. Ramchandra Guha, India after Gandhi, Gandhi before India. W. Hunter, Our Indian Mussalmans. Catherine Mayo, Mother India. Valentine Chival, India Unrest. Dr. Rafiq Zakaria, The Man Who Divided India. Durga Das, India from Curzon to Nehru and after. Pendrell Moon, Divide and Quit. H.B. Hudson, The Great Divide. Laurie Collins or Dominic Lepre, Mountbatten and Partition of India, Freedom at Midnight. J.R. Maclellan, Indian Nationalism and Early Congress. Gurumukh Nihal Singh, Landmark in India, Constitutional and National Development. W. F. Fair Service, The Root of Ancient India. Arun Suri, Worshipping False God. Louis Fischer, Life of Mahatma Gandhi. Frank Morris, Jawaharlal Nehru, a Biography. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, India Divided. B.P. Menon, The Transfer of Power in India. The Story of the Integration of India State. Eric Stokes, English Civilization, Peasant Armed. Percival History of India. William Dalrymple, Anarchy, The Last Mughal. D.G. Tendulkar, Mahatma Pyarelal, Mahatma Gandhi, The Last Phase. George N. Curzon, Problem of Far East. General B.M. Cole, The Untold Story. Rajni Kothari, Politics in India. Amartya Sen, The Argumentative Indian. Karl Marx, Das Kapital. चंदेश्वर राजनीति रत्नाकर, लिटरेरी फिगर मुंशी प्रेमचंद. गोदान गबन निर्मला, शतरंज की खिलाड़ी. सोज ए वतन, रंगभूमि. दीनबंधु मित्र, नील दर्पण. देवकी नंदन खत्री, चंद्रकांता. शरत चंद्र चटर्जी, देवदास. पत्थर डाबी, धर्मवीर भारती. अंधा युग, सुमित्रा नंदन पंत. चिदम्बरा, अमृतलाल नागाड़, बिशोर अमृत. डी.पी. मिश्रा, लिविंग एन ईरा. इंदिरा गांधी, इटर्नल इंडिया. ए.पी.जे. अब्दुल कलाम, विंग्स ऑफ फायर, इंडिया 2020, इग्नाइटेड माइंड. बी.एस. नैपॉल, इंडिया अ बाउंडेड सिविलाइजेशन. एम. विश्वेश्वरैया, प्लान्ड इकोनॉमी फॉर इंडिया. अतुल कोहली, द सक्सेस ऑफ इंडियाज डेमोक्रेसी. बी.एस. मिन्हाज, प्लानिंग एंड द पुअर. एस.एस. गिल, पैथोलॉजी ऑफ करप्शन. रजनी कोठारी, पॉलिटिक्स इन इंडिया. प्रेस, बंगाल गजट, फर्स्ट न्यूज़पेपर in India, published James Augustus Hickey in 1780. James Silk Buckingham, regarded father of modern press in India. Fardunji Marzaban, started first Indian language newspaper, Samachar Press in Gujarati in 1812. Hindu Patriot, first English newspaper by Indian, published in 1853, with editor Girish Chandra Ghosh, Harish Chandra Mukherjee, Christo Das Pal. J.C. Marsaman, started Digdarshan, first Bengali newspaper in 1818. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, published Samvad Kumudi in Bengal. Miratul Akbar in English in 1822. Jugal Kishore, began Udhanda Martanda, first Hindi newspaper in 1926, from Kolkata. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar Som Prakash in Bengali in 1859. Motilal Ghosh and Sushil Kumar Ghosh founded Amrit Bazar Patrika in 1868 in Bengali. Switched to English in 1878 due to Vernacular Press Act. Lord B. Leslie, Censorship of Press Act in 1799 repealed. Lord Hardinge in 1818. Lord Lytton passed Vernacular Press Act 78 repealed by Ripon in 1882. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, first Indian jailed as journalist in 1882, launched Kesari in Marathi in 1881, Maratha in English. Taraknath Das issue Free India newspaper in America 1900. Devendranath Tagore, Manmohan Ghosh published Indian Mirror in 1861 from Calcutta. Gadar Journal first issue published in Urdu on 1 November 1913. Bangavasi Kala Kesari popular revolutionary magazine criticized Congress liberal policy in late 19th century. Sandhya by Brahma Bandhav उपाध्याय in 1890. युगांतर भूपेंद्र नाथ दत्त बरीन घोष in 1906. काल by शिवरामा महादेव परांजापी in 1898. Young India Weekly started Home Rule Party in 1916. Aurobindo Ghosh affiliated with English weekly Vande Mataram in 1905. Kameshwar Singh Darbhanga founded the Indian Nation in 1931 from Patna. Ramakrishna Pillai, editor of Swadeshi Vahini, Swadesh Abhimani in 1900. Lala Lajpat Rai, Urdu Daily Vande Mataram and English weekly The People from Lahore in 1920. Other regional paper Bharat Mitra in Hindi, Rashtramarta in Marathi, Prajamitra in Gujarati, Nayak in Bengali. Revolt of 1857. Rani Lakshmibai Manikarnika born 19 नवंबर 1835 वाराणसी. मैरिड गंधर्व राव झांसी. अनेक डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ लैप्स. Died fighting Hugh Groves, who said the only man among rebels Muslim at Gwalior. Tatya Tope Ramchandra Pandurang, born 1814, Maharashtra, commander of Nana Sahib, seized Gwalior with Rani, betrayed by Man Singh, executed. Thakur Kausal Singh. Mirza Ghali, poet, witness. Maximum Sepoy from Awadh. Support to British East India, Gwalior, Nizam, Hyderabad, Holkar, Indore. Governor General Lord Canning made Allahabad headquarters. Last Governor General Company, first Viceroy. British PM Viscount Palmerston. Region unaffected. Chittor, Munger. R.C. Majumdar, Nider, first National War Sepoy Mutiny, Anti-Rebellion of 1857. Essential official historian book 1857. Tara Chand, War of Nations Independence. Laverne Limor, Sepoy Mutiny. J.R. Holmes, Conflict between Civilization or Barbarism. James Outram, Muhammad Conspiracy using Hindu Grievance. Syed Ahmad Khan, Asab-e-Bagawat-e-Hind, Cause Revolt. William Howard Russell, Times, London. Nobody North India. Look at White Man Car with Friendly View. Peel Commission. Armory Audio Organization. Recruitment from Gorkha Sikh Punjab miscellaneously. Lasodhia movement launched by Surji Bhagat and Gobind Giri from Fort Social Reform among Wheels. Adivasi term first used tribal people. Amritlal Vithal Das Thakkar, known as Thakkar Baba, servant of Indian society. Hojur Ho revolt took place in 1820-21, centered in Santhal Pargana of Bihar. Kharwa tribal movement led by Bhagirath Manjhi in 1874. Surendra Sai revolt against British in Sambalpur. Kalar community related to Mudhu Raja of Madurai region in South India. Haipu Jondang, Naga leader of Manipur, tribal leader inspired by Gandhiji. Baraiya Tal revolt, demand for restoration Bakkas land. Revolt of Diwan Belu Thampi. Subsidiary alliance imposed Travancore ruled by Wellesley. Ramosi Krisher Jatha founded by Vasudev Balwant Phadke 45-83. Gadkari rebellion 1844 occurred in Kolhapur. Gadkari, heir hereditary servant of the Maratha. Bhumi's Ganga Narayan. Bhumi's means one born from soil. बंगाल और बिहार टेनेंसी एक्ट 1885. टी इंडस्ट्री फर्स्ट टी कंपनी नाम 1839. EIC परचेज 18. बंगाल कॉटन क्लोथ ओपियम साल्टपीटर sugar silk. Imperial preference social special privilege for British port in India. Industrial backwardness. Rich invested in land. No independent industry. Impact of industrial revolution. Cheap machine. Good run of Indian handicraft. Wrong place where good collected before sale. Banyan Indian agent of East India Company. Mirsi Dar designated revenue prior to the state. St. Helena Act, Government of India Act, introduced India Company Trade, become administrative body. Decentralization aggravated. Dadabhai Naoroji founded London India Society. First Indian MP, House of Commons, Liberal Party. Reign of wealth theory. Karl Marx called British economic policy in India disgusting. Military expenditure 40% of central revenue spent on army. Sharda Mani, wife of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, called Sri Sri Mother, Holy Mother. Prarthana Samaj, Atmarang Pandurang, 1867. M.G. Ranade, Maharashtra. Radha Swami Satsang, founded in 1861. Banker Tulsi Ram, also known as Shiv Dayal Sahabad Swamiji Maharaj. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, social reformer of Maharashtra, from Lokhitvadi wrote for weekly Prabhakar under pen name Lokhitvadi. Behramji Mallabari, Parsi reformer, editor of Indian Spectre and Voice of India, responsible for Age Consent Act 1891, opposed by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Vinoba Bhave, Sarvodaya Samaj to raise living standard and promote Gandhian principle. Indian National Social Conference, founded in 1887. M.G. Ranade and Raghunath Rao to eliminate polygamy and child marriage. Religious Disability Act, enacted in 1856. Dondo Keshav Karve worked for women's welfare and established first women university in India 96. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, I have no time to think about God because a lot of work has to be done on this earth. Act 5 of 1853 made slavery illegal in Indian under Governor General of Lord Ellenborough. Native Civil Marriage Act, passed 1872 due to Keshav Chandra Sen, fixing minimum marriage Act 14 for girls or 18 for boys. Theosophical Society, founded 1875, New York, by Helena Blavatsky and Henry Steele Olcott, headquartered at Adair in 1882, and Nivison joined in 1889. United India Patriotic Association, Syed Ahmad Khan, servant of Indian Society, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, 1905, included M.S. Stalwart और B.N. राव, अल्लादी कृष्ण स्वामी अय्यर. बहुजन समाज पार्टी 1910, सतारा मुकुंदराव पाटिल एंड शंकर राव जाधव. राजा मुंदरी सोशल रिफॉर्म एसोसिएशन 1871. Veerasalingam Pantulu to encourage widow remarriage. Nadar temple entry demanded cause riot in Tirunelveli in 1899. Bal Gangadhar Tilak said, if God were to tolerate untouchability, I would not recognize him as a god at all. Darul Ulam, established in 1893. Kanpur by Maulana Laftullah and Maulana Sahibuli Numani. Tarkeshwar movement in 1924. Calcutta against corrupt priest of Tarkeshwar Shiva temple. Hali system concerned with bonded labor. Surendranath Banerjee, selected for ICS exam in 1869 but disqualified on technical ground in 1874. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, first Indian to resist political reform. Social Reform Association, Keshav Chandra Sen. Social Service League, N.M. Joshi. Bangvasa Patrika, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, 1836. Bengal British India Society, 1843, in Calcutta. Radhakant Dev, first president of British Indian Association. Madras Native Association, 1852 by Kujul Lakshmin Rasu Chetty. Indian National Liberal Federation, founded by Surendra Banerjee. Indian Patriotic Association, political organization founded in 1888 by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Raja Shiv Prasad of Banaras, British Indian Association, established in 1851 in Kolkata with founder member Rajendra Mitra, Radhakant Dev, Devendranath Tagore, Harish Chandra Mukherjee. Central Muhammad National Association, established by Syed Amir Ali. Azad Muslim Conference, led by Allah Baqir Salam in 1940, opposing Muslim League demand for Pakistan. Khalsa Party, founded by Allama Masriki in 1931, Lahore, uniformed volunteer corps with spade as symbol. Krisak Praja Party, Fazlul Haq in Bengal, later merged with Muslim League. Kisan Mazdoor Praja Party, break away from INC in 1951 by J.B. Kirpalani, leaders P.C. Ghosh, first CM of West Bengal, and T. Prakasam Andhra Kesari, merged with Socialist Party of Lohia J.P. in 1952 to form Praja Socialist Party. All India Untouchability League, founded by Gandhi in 1932, renamed Harijan Sevak Sangh. Self-Respect Movement, E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar Periyar in Tamil Nadu 1925. Outcast Operation, Quit India Movement, Aruna Asaf Ali hosted flag at Gwalior Tank Maidan in 1942. Nationalist Party, founded Madan Mohan Malviya with MS Annie in 1934. K.C. Niyogi, Constituent Assembly, part of first cabinet of independent India, initially as the Minister of Relief Rehabilitation, later as Minister for Commerce of Chairman of First Finance Commission 1951, First Finance Minister after R.K. Shanmukham Chetty. P.C. Joshi, First General Secretary of Communist Party of India in 1935, following the arrest of Somnath Lahiri. Jawaharlal Bajaj, close associate of Gandhi, founded Satyagraha Ashram at Barda. M.H. founder Sev Gram Ashram 1936 near Barda. Gandhi's fifth son surrendered title Rai Bahadur. INC treasurer for long time, helped Gandhi to establish All India Village Industry Association in 1934.